I think I've just always had a passion since a very young age to just help people. Specifically, I think as growing up, I had a childhood best friend of mine whose father was involved like in a major car accident, and he ended up like staying in a vegetative state. And I remember as a child, I was probably about 9 or 10. We would spend our weekends there at the local nursing home just to kind of take care of him and basically help him with his basic needs. And I actually enjoyed it. And I think that that's kind of, I didn't realize it at the time, but I enjoyed it. But my mom is the one who actually brought it to my attention. She's like, I think this is the path you need to follow because you actually enjoy helping people. And I feel like I still get asked that till this day in my career, like especially as a nurse practitioner and seeing patients here, they always say like, oh, so are you going to be a doctor? Or, and I'm like, well, I am going to get my doctorate soon, but I'm still a nurse first. I don't know. I just feel that when I got into nursing and I kind of started to work the floor, I do feel that nurses are a little bit more involved with the patients only because, doctors are very, very busy. They're in and out. And I felt as a nurse, there was more rapport with the patients. You got to spend more time. You really got to know them and it became more personalized. And I feel like for me, that's more important. I feel that where I work and where I live, it's predominantly Hispanic, and another reason that I got into this field is because I see there's a lot of ignorance in my culture. A lot of the Hispanic culture doesn't go to the doctor unless there's something wrong. And so in their mind, they're fine and they're healthy. And so I feel like when I meet them, they understand that I come from the same background, and I share with them that it's okay. It's good to come to the doctor every 6 months to a year just to get your annual follow-up, even if you are healthy, because things can change from one day to the next.